Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So audio descriptions provide spoken narration of on-screen actions, making content more accessible for visually impaired viewers. Okay, so first thing, start playing a video, like open primevideo.com, choose a movie or a show. Okay, let's suppose this is the show that I want to or interested in. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have many options. Okay, so audio options appear during playback. So open playback controls. Okay, so you have here the options of volume, and we have here as you can see, the option of quality. So open playback controls, as I said, while the video is playing, tap the screen if you are using a mobile, move your mouse if you are using a web, or press OK or select if you are using a TV remote. Okay, so this reveals playback options. Okay, so open audio and subtitle menu. Okay, here click or tap audio subtitle icon, it shows available audio tracks. Okay, select audio description track. Okay, so choose an option labeled English auto description or similar, like dependent on language. Audio descriptions will start immediately. Okay, so what happens after enabling narration describes scenes, actions, and visuals. It improves accessibility and understanding. It plays alongside original audio. There are also some common issues like no audio description option, so title may not support it, or wrong audio playing, like reopen menu and select correct track. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.